We're often asked by our clients who are preparing their home for listing photos or for potential showings, what do I do with my blinds? In this case, I'm standing in front of a window with blinds installed, and we have the blinds all the way to the top. And you can see that while the optimum amount of light is coming through, they're a bit bulky. So in this case, we would recommend coming down about 1/3 of the distance down the window. That works traditionally for a lot of blinds. However, in this case, we've got heavy wood blinds, and it does block the view by having them down 1/3. And the view outside is not the greatest. So we bring the blinds down all the way, and they are installed within the window, so that works extremely well. And then we want to make sure that the blinds, the slats themselves, are at 90 degrees, which still optimizes the light.